What's up, guys? So this is my '07 BMW 335i, and the passenger side rear window regulator broke on it, which is normal. I already replaced the driver's side like a year ago. Typically I try to avoid the roll down the two back windows just because it's common on them, and I don't really want to be sitting here replacing them all the time. So right now I got a screwdriver holding the window up. Last time the other side broke, the window actually ended up dropping down when I was driving, and it peeled the tint like right here in the middle, and I had to get it retinted. I placed the window regulator. I'm gonna take this trim off first with a trim tool remover, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what to do next. All right, so pieces off. Now what I'm gonna do is, in here you have a T15. You got, I think, nope, there's not one there. There's one here, and so just two of these that have to come out, and then after that you can pull the whole panel off. So actually I lied, this handle comes off too, and then you got another bolt right here. So take this one out, and then after that you can remove the whole panel. All right, so door panel's off. So now what you're gonna do is unhook the cables. You can leave the door handle attached. That gives you enough slack to the point where you don't need to unclip it. So speaker, and then there's another cable down there. As you can see, I broke one of the clips down there, but it should be fine. Okay, so take the window regulator out now. Just 3 bolts. This one, there's one right here, and then there's another one down there. If you can see it right there. Let's take those 3 out. 1, 2, and then underneath this panel, I didn't take it off all the way, so you can't see right now. Take those out, unclip it from the window. It's a green tab right there. Just use a flathead, push it forward, and make sure you tape up your glass so that way it doesn't fall down or hold it. One of the two. So I cheaped out and I didn't get the motor on it, so we're just about to take these 3 bolts off using your T25 to take them off, and then we're just gonna swap it over to here. So this clip is a couple days later. I ran into an issue where the factory BMW bolts wouldn't fit on this regulator, since I had to swap the motors. So I ended up having to go to the hardware store local to me and getting different bolts that would fit on this window regulator. So if you order, I ordered this off of Amazon. If you order yours off Amazon too, I'd probably just get the complete one with the window regulator motor. All right, so we got the regulator in. Put the 2 bolts on, tighten those. One right there, another one right there. Tighten those up, and then next we're gonna plug the electrical connector right here back in. Goes right there. All right, so I got the door panel back on. I reconnected the speaker and the motor. What I said was there's 2 bolts for the window regulator. It's actually 3. I forgot about the 3rd one. So make sure you put all 3 back together. Go ahead and put your 3 bolts back in. One right there, one here, and one right there. And then now you can put the door handle trim on, which is right here. So line this up with the tab right there, and just like that. And this trim piece, the way this goes on is you line it up with these holes right here. There you go. All back together. Window regulator works. I already tested it.